Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, November 29, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sword 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Wednesday, November 29, 2023. Here are the SL Sword 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for November 29, 2023, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for November 29, 2023, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.